You know who hasn't had an accountability buddy in a long time?
Who's that?
Angel Hernandez, retiring from umpiring in Major League Baseball. I guess he has umped his final game. We will never see him behind the plate ever again unless he's working for the Savannah Bananas. So, hell of a run for Angel Hernandez. I'll tell you what, not a single compliment was given to this man.
No, not one.
Whenever his retirement was announced. And normally highlights will be given of people after they retire. And after Angel's announcement of his retirement, it was all lowlights. This guy called this a strike. He called this a strike. Look at this bullshit. Yep, called that one too. And then a lot of clips of players and managers and even wrestling Hall of Famers, Mongo McMichael, just saying this guy sucks at his job. It was a tough retirement announcement. I don't think it went how Angel Hernandez could have expected it to go, but baseball is going to miss him, I think, because certainly a topic of conversation whenever the game's getting boring is how ass this guy was at his job, Ty.
Yeah, and luckily, you know, there's been a couple other guys this year trying to pick up the slack. Been some pretty shitty umpires in the MLB, but I did forget, and it was kind of nice to see. He actually tried to sue the MLB. I can't remember how long ago it was because they weren't picking him to umpire postseason games, and the MLB basically just wheeled in like a TV set, and we're like, no, this guy just sucks at his job, like that. And they kind of just.
When was that?
I want to say like 10 years ago, maybe.
And he's still doing it. They rolled out. The MLB rolled out a TV and said, "This guy can't see his." They get through the court. All right, I'll drop my lawsuit. And they go, okay, cool. You got.
Yeah, hey, you got Sunday Night Baseball.
Most important game. We just told him you can't call shit. It's all right. Nobody can. You've been around a long time. You got it. Fascinating move, but congrats to baseball getting better, I think.
Yeah, and this is the best part about baseball. They've played about 200 games since we last talked about
Paul
it.
Skeens.
And well, of course. And then, you know, the next time we talk about baseball is when they're getting rid of their worst manager. Like umpire. This is why baseball is sweet, because the storylines are electric.